Hey traders, I'm currently in Nebraska right now, but I wanted to drop in really quickly and tell you about some exciting news. We no longer have the daily loss limit as a rule in the trading combine or at the funded level. This means that going forward, if you hit the daily loss limit, it will only deactivate you from trading for the day. Now, you can still reset and get back in that day, but I'd highly recommend you just call it a day. Why do we have a daily loss limit? Why do we not just remove it? Because removing a daily loss limit does not help you instill discipline. Anybody that tells you that daily loss limits are bad clearly has never traded consistently and profitably and disciplinedly for a long haul. We're here to become better traders, and having a daily loss limit is good, but no longer, if you hit it, will you ever be disqualified from advancing to the funded level, nor if you're at the funded level, will you be disqualified from losing that account. So still keep your discipline, but know that if you hit your daily loss limit, it does not blow up your trading here at Topstep. That's us trying to help you. So trade smart.